I can pull a rabbit out of my hat. I can do card tricks too. Though I'm a great magician, I can't do a thing with you. I can hypnotize them just with my eyes. People obey my commands. But when I gaze in your eyes, I'm putty in your two hands. Honey, won't you please believe all the love words I have told you? Look, there's nothing up my sleeve but an arm that wants to hold you. I can pull a rabbit out of my hat. I can tame lions too. I'll make a mountain vanish before your eyes. I'll pull the stars down from out of the skies. But I can't manage to do a thing with you.